Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to troubleshoot, and then in case your Ring Doorbell 2 it shows a low battery when it's hardwired in. So let's go ahead and open this Ring app and then click on the live view. As you can see, it shows live view is disabled because Office has a low battery. Please recharge it as soon as possible. And then when I try to click on the setting gear icon right here, and then click on device health, it's showing that the status is 4%, and it is hardwired in. So let's go and then go to the Ring's Doorbell 2, and let's go ahead and remove the battery. You need to unscrew the screw for the cover, and then eject the battery, and you need to charge it manually, and wait until it's fully charged. And after that, all you need to do is just plug in the battery, and your Ring Doorbell 2 should work fine after that. Because it happened to me one time already. This is the second time. So after you fully charge, usually shows 100%. And when you plug the battery back into the Doorbell 2, okay? Let's go ahead and show you guys a quick tutorial on how to do that. So as you can see, it is wired in because you have this wiring LEDs. So you need to remove the screw, which I already did, and then just take out the cover. You need to press down this and then eject it. So you need to use the original cable that came with it, micro USB charging cable, that orange cable, and then just plug it in and charge it until it's fully charged 100%. So this is my orange cable that came with it. Make sure the wider prong is on the top. And then just let it finish charge until it is fully charged. And then after that, you're going to plug this back in, and that should fix your problem. If that did not fix your problem, that means you didn't install the resistor with the 50 watts 25 ohms resistor in there. All right. Anyway, hopefully this will help you guys troubleshoot and fix your Ring Doorbell 2 issues. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.